Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. National Institute of Fashion and Technology recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. If you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications about job updates on your phone. So we can check the details. Multitasking staff, total vacancies is 6 and the age limit is 21 to 40 years old. The qualification needed for the post is matriculation, that is SSLC or 10th pass or ITI pass. The salary is in between 5,200 to 20,200. Junior assistant, 5 vacancies are there. In unreserved category 4 vacancies and in OBC category 1 vacancy, and the candidates below 25 years old can apply for the job, and the qualification needed for the post is +2 or equivalent from a recognized government and diploma certificate in computer applications operations latest softwares and have a speed of 30 WPM in English or Hindi typing. The selection process will be based on written test and skill test. Library assistant, total 2 vacancies are there. In unreserved category 2 vacancies and the candidates below 40 years old can apply for the job, and the qualification needed for the post is graduate degree. Any degree can apply for the job and diploma in library science and at least 1 year of experience in relevant field. Then electrician, total 2 vacancies are there. The candidates who are below 30 years old can apply for the job and qualification needed for the post is 10th pass. So the candidate should be a 10th pass candidate from a board of recognized by government and ITI diploma in electrician trade. Must possess an electrical supervisory certificate of competency issued by the government recognized institute or equivalent and have a minimum practical experience of 5 years. Plumber, total 1 vacancy is there and the age limit is 30 years old. The qualification needed for the post is should possess ITI trade certification or equivalent in the trade with at least 5 years of practical experience. Then should have a working knowledge of various types of special tools used in the plumbing trade. Then lab assistant. For lab assistant, total 6 vacancies are there. In unreserved category 3 vacancies, in OBC category 2 vacancies and in SC category 1 vacancy. The candidates who are below 40 years old can apply for the job. Lab assistant is divided in various categories. For LADT, you can check it out the eligibility criteria. So the candidates are shortlisted by skill test or written test or interview will be informed through the email as mentioned in the application form, and the age limit as on 24th July 2020 is indicated by the post, and as usual the government age relaxation will be given to this job. 5 years age relaxation will be given for SC/ST category and 3 years age relaxation will be provided for OBC category. So we can discuss how to apply for the job. So there is an online application form. The link is given in the description box and you can download the copy of the application form and fill it, and with that along that self-attested photocopies of certificates or testimonials are sent to this address. The Director, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Rajiv Gandhi Salai Taramani, Chennai 600113, Tamil Nadu. And before 24th July 2020, Mention on the cover application for the post of which post you are applying. So this is the official website. Link is given in the description box. So you can download from here the application form, and you must check the instructions too. You must read the instructions to filling online application form. After that, fill the application form and send to the address. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. The link is given in the description box.